Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So we are going to be doing an unboxing of a brand new limited edition collection. This is going to be a beauty box presented by Dermstore. This is the same company that also creates the monthly beautyfix boxes, but they just created a new limited edition collection. And this new box is going to have 21 different items inside of it. It will be a mixture of full-size and travel-size products, but the total retail value is $798 on this. So this is supposed to be the best of in skincare. That is my understanding. Keep in mind, this is not an advent calendar. They're not marketing it that way, and there are not doors. This is just going to be a collection that they've put together as a one-time purchase. Now this box, I believe it's just called the Holiday Edition or the Holiday Edit, the Holiday Box. It's something like that. It's a fairly basic name, and yeah, I can't remember it. But like I said, it is all presented by Dermstore. This is an online beauty retailer that focuses on skincare on their website. This is a one-time purchase and it will ship for free. And then like I said, the total retail value is $798 for 21 products. So in terms of presentation, I think it's really cute. It's just a black box and it is all matte. There's several different lids and drawers that will open up, and then you're gonna have products all over in here. So you've got one there, and then also you've got a drawer down here. This one's much heavier. Oh my gosh, I was gonna open it to show you guys, but this one is packed full and it's really heavy. So there's a really nice setup. I like the way it looks, but also I'm seeing some really good brands. So the first item that I have in here is from Mirad. This is their clarifying toner and it comes in at 6 ounces of product. This toner will help to remove oil and impurities, but also refresh your skin. There is witch hazel inside of this and cucumber extract that will help to soothe and balance out your skin with that toning aspect. So this is what it will look like here. Great way to start this box off. Love that it's a full-size product too. Next item that we have is from Elliot. This is their dynamic resurfacing facial pads. So full-size product, and it's going to be a set of pads inside. We have 60 of them inside of this jar, and the pad itself will already have the product and the formula in it. So all you have to do is take one of these out each day. You'll just wipe it all over your neck, your face, anywhere that you would like to have a little bit more cleansing, exfoliating done, and it will help to smooth and take down any texture that you might have. So I love exfoliating pads like this because they're easy, they're convenient. Just make sure you screw the lid back on tight, otherwise they could dry out. Next item is from Elliot MD. This is their Renew Eye Gel. Now I've not tried this product, but I am familiar with the brand. This one will help to take down dark circles and fine lines around your eye area. It is safe for sensitive skin, and it says that this is going to be a gel formula, and it will help to brighten that area and make your skin less puffy. It will be healthier, reduce those dark circles that you might have, and it said you should receive results within 30 days of using this product. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. And we have 0.5 ounces of treatment. I believe this is a full-size product. Eye products typically don't need to be super large only because you're not using a lot of product at once. But like I said, really great luxury brand name. And again, this whole box is supposed to be the best of skincare. So I do like that so far I am seeing those luxury brands. Next up is Somerville. This is the SPF 50 Uncomplicated SPF. So this is a full-size sunscreen that we have here. Now this sunscreen is a little bit unique because it's a makeup setting spray. So when you are done putting on all of your makeup for the day, you're actually going to shake this up and then you're going to spritz this all over your face. It's gonna lock in your makeup, set it in place, fight against oils, but then it's also got the sunscreen inside of it with the SPF 50. Next item that we have is from Holy Frog. This is the Moonbeam Retinol Treatment Serum. So we do have a little bit of retinol here, and we've got our first facial serum. This is a full-size product, and this serum will help to resurface and strengthen your skin. This will help to balance between retinol and hydration, and it says that it's going to boost your skin's density and firmness. Now, this is a brand I just discovered this year. It's very popular, but I just had never seen it before. But then I found out that a lot of people love this brand, love this product as well. So here's our first travel size that I've seen in the box, and this is from Marvis. This is a really great toothpaste company, and of course, I get it, we need a little bit of beauty care for our teeth as well. We also have a product from Nurse Jamie, and this is the Moisturizing Lip Balm. So we have a full-size product here. This lip balm is going to plump and moisturize your lips for the perfect pout. Now, I've not tried this product, but isn't Nurse Jamie the brand that originally came out with the roller for your face? And then I think everybody started to copy it afterwards. But it was one of the very first ones that came out on the market. I have one even, but I don't remember what I did with it now. But I know I do have one of them. But when it came out on the market, everybody was using it because it was a great product to relieve stress and tension. And then I'm pretty sure like every brand out there came out with a very similar product after that. So I did not realize that they had come out with a whole different lineup now. And like I said, this is a lip care product to give you that hydration and to really plump up your lips. So I'm excited. I can try something different now from this collection. This is nice. Next item is a full-size product from Jane Iredale. This is the Pure Pressed Eyeshadow. Now, I did not expect to see any eyeshadow in this, only because, like I said, Dermstore is known for derm. It's the skincare products that we're looking for. So this is exciting. We get a little bit of eyeshadow. It's called Jewel is the shade name. Now, Jane Iredale is one of my new favorite brands. Is probably, I don't know, it's probably one of the best brands I found this year just because they have really clean ingredients in all of their products and they work well. Now, this eyeshadow is a little bit more neutral for me. So this one might be a giveaway item. It is a very pretty color. I do like the look of the shadow. I love the little palette here with the mirror even. It's just, you guys know, I typically go a little bit more bold with my eyeshadow colors. We also have Augustina's Banner in here. I feel like this is the item of the season, you guys. Like, with all of the limited edition boxes and the advents I've done so far, this product is popping up in every one of them. So I have enough of this now to last me for the next year. But this is their moisturizer. It's called the Rich Cream. This one is just a sample size, but I'm kind of okay with it only because I've received the full size in other boxes already this season. I'm telling you guys, there's so many out there this year. So this is what your sample will look like. Really great brand. It's so expensive that even a sample like this where it's very little product, I'm sure this will cost you 20, 30 bucks just for this little sample. We have another great sunscreen in the box. This is from Supergoop and it's their Glow Screen Body. This is a water and sweat resistant sunscreen. So this one is a deluxe travel that we have here. It is a cruelty-free product. It's dermatologist tested. It is reef safe and it's vegan. There's no synthetic fragrances or chemicals in this either. I also have a product from Eminence. Now, I've not seen this brand in a long time in a box. This is the Arctic Berry Peptide Radiance Cream. Ooh. 15 ml of product. This is an organic skincare product and it is their deluxe travel size. There's a Coty product inside of this box and it is full size. This is going to be the Lift Serum. It's a firming serum that will visibly reduce wrinkles and it's going to firm your skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it and there's also vegan collagen. 30 ml or 1 ounce. This is definitely a luxury brand. I'm excited that we got the full-size bottle of this, you guys. I mean, I'm kind of shocked because typically this brand, they're a little bit more stingy. They don't send out full-size products very often, but this is exciting. We also have a shampoo and conditioner duo in here. This is from Virtue, which again, really great hair care company. This is the recovery shampoo and conditioner, and we just have a travel size set here. So the recovery ones, this is going to help to fix any damage that you might have to your hair. It will take down frizziness as well and help to restore the strength in your hair locks. So I love when they send us the shampoo and the conditioner duo, so I'm really glad they did that. And we even got a cleansing brush. So this is the electric cleansing brush. It is a full-size product. This one is going to be battery operated and you can charge this up. But interestingly enough, it even works with an app now, which I didn't realize they were doing. So that is new to me, but on the back it states that you can do it with Apple or Android, and it actually pairs up with their app. This will help to take off any makeup, to exfoliate, to scrub and clean everything up on your face. You typically will use a product with this, but then this will be the cleansing brush or the device that you'll pair up with it. So it says, get smart about your skin, know it, perfect it, and love it. You can measure your skin's moisture through this, reveal your skin's age, customize your cleansing routine, and then it actually records your progress as well. And then they send over the AAA battery that you need for this as well. So it's inside of this. That is interesting. I want to know what my skin's age is. So it's basically a beauty coach, they said, in the app. And then you use this product and it's going to track how you're doing it, pick up if you're cleansing or not. I think it's interesting. I have no idea how that's going to work though. So I'm really curious about that. This one is in the shade Pearl Pink. I have a feeling this is more expensive than it looks. Anytime you get like a tech device, they get kind of pricey. I'm curious though. I'm going to try it out. Maybe it will help though in having better cleansing habits. Next up is from PCA Skin. This is the Pro Max Age Renewal Serum, and it is 7 ml of product. So this, again, luxury brand. I do know Dermstore tends to do a lot of things with PCA Skin. I feel like they have a really great partnership or relationship just because they tend to promote their products a lot. But we do have a serum that will help to take down those fine lines and those wrinkles. Next up, I think I have a beauty tool. This is the Actinacre pouch. And I would guess this is a gua sha in here. Oh, actually, no, it's a comb. So this is going to be a stone comb. And I would assume you could use this as a scalp massager. You know what I mean? Like to really work through, exfoliate your scalp. That's my guess. It doesn't say on here for sure, so I'm not 100%. It feels really nice though. I like that these do come to like a smooth fine point. To me, this is gonna feel great on your scalp. Like, I think you could really use this to exfoliate your scalp. So even if it's not meant to be used that way, I'm probably going to use that way myself. Next up, we have Dr. Loretta in this box. This is their Tightening Detox Mask. This is a hydrating gel mask that will firm and revitalize your skin's appearance. It will tighten, uplift, and contour your skin, but it also has a blue light protectant in this as well. And it says that it will also take down any puffiness that you might have in your under eye area. So it's a multi-purpose product. This is what it will look like here. It is a full-size product, and Dr. Loretta is not cheap. This brand is a luxury brand, but they have really great clean ingredients. They are cruelty-free at the same time. I get why it's in this box because you are looking for that luxury skincare. It makes sense why they would include this in there. I definitely know we are over the value on this box. Like the brands that we have seen here, and I'm not done yet, I'm impressed. Next up, I have a brightening cleanser. This is from a brand called Indie Lee. It is a sample size product. We have 15 ml of product here for this cleanser. And then last but not least, we actually have a dual product from Tula. So these are both going to be full-size lip products, and they are lip balms that Tula has sent over. So we have Blackberry Velvet and Strawberry Flush. They're both going to be a lip balm that will give you hydration and peptides, but they're also going to have a little bit of a tint to them with these different colors. So this is where we can see, I mean, I'm pretty sure you can pick out which one's blackberry and which one's strawberry. But they are both a cruelty-free product, and the beauty of it is, like I said, is they're going to have a very light tint to them. So they will give you a little bit of color, but you're not gonna have to worry about like this bright of a color or anything. It's just gonna give you a little bit of brightness, a little bit of color, but definitely lots of hydration for your lips. So that is everything inside of the limited edition holiday edit box for Dermstore. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. From my reviewing aspect, packaging I think is gorgeous. I also feel like they really do deliver on the luxury brands in here. And there's a lot of full-size products. There are a couple of travel-size items here and there, but honestly, I'm fine getting a travel-size toothpaste when I can get a full-size LMS product or full-size Mirad. So I like the ones that I really want full-size, I feel like I got, so I think they did well with that. But also there's a lot of items in here. This to me is a great option if you did want to give a gift that you didn't really have to wrap. If you needed to order something in last minute, just get something in quick and you know this is going to be a great skincare option for somebody. I think this makes a really good gift box. And there's really great items in it too. As far as price point goes, I definitely think it is worth the value that they have on here. I'm telling you, a few of these brands are very expensive brand names. So even at that $200 price point, I definitely think you're making back your money and then some with this. So I like it. I think it's a solid box. I really think you have to love skincare is the only thing. So this might be a box that will work for some people just because of that. And then again, you might not love skincare, and so this might not be the box for you. But I do think it would make a great gift for a skincare lover. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know what your thoughts are on this beauty box, and we can chit chat about it. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye, guys.